Hi, welcome to a new video. We're going to compare the ORBOT VIBE and the ECO Pro side by side. Found the dirtiest carpet in the world. Was sitting by our warehouse full of grease and grime. It's disgusting. So here we are with the ECO Pro. The advantage is the ECO Pro. It's heavy, it's beautiful looking, it's shiny and chromy. It has this driver on it which has a little bit more bite, and it digs down into the carpet a little bit, so that oscillating motion cleans the fiber a little better than most other machines would. It has built-in connection for the pressure hose, so you can connect and pre-spray upholstery. As an example, it has the pressure sprayers in the front as well. It's a solid machine, easy to transport, heavy duty. You can also do stone care with it, and as you'll see on this pad, that it cleans really well, but the bonnet being not all the way through, it's the dirt is transferring onto certain areas. So that may be a good thing or a bad thing depending on what you're looking for. And in the Vibe that I show you, in the Vibe, the bottom pad isn't, the driver isn't like this. So the driver is all the way through even. So the transfer is a little bit more even, but it isn't as aggressive as the Pro. So here we had to flip it because it's so dirty that the side of the bonnet got dirty. So I'm going to do the other side and then show you the ORBOT Vibe. One of the advantages of the ORBOT Vibe is it's lightweight. It's 90 pounds. It's easy to transport. It also is kind of sleek looking. It's smoother sounding. Here it is, and it just seems like just well engineered. If you're looking for a lighter machine, definitely the ORBOT Vibe. If you're looking for a heavier duty machine, more impressive, with more bells and whistles than the Mytee ECO Pro. But you can't go wrong with either one of them. But most important is where you're going to get it. You know, if you do get it from Magic Wand Company, you'll also have a knowledgeable staff here to help you with any kind of questions. By the way, I'm using atomic here on this, and just for the encapsulation purposes. And now I'm going to show you the bottom of this bonnet, and you can see the differences, how much more even it is. It may not be as aggressive, but the transfer of the dirt is a little bit all the way through, instead of just being where the bristles are, like in the other one. That's it. So pick one. They're both good. You're not going to make a bad choice. So a short and simple video here for you. Subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this. Both machines are great. Can't go wrong. Thank you for watching.